Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Ramune in Secret Staycation. So first of all, you will need the ice cream, which I don't have, but you'll get it if you have, I think, 500 points on, well, if you completed, if you played the juice party game, you'll need like around 500 points from that. Once you get the ice cream, you're just going to kind of go on the pan here, and once you are fully melted, you're going to enable ragdoll. Then when there's like the rope option, you still need to be on the pan. Again, I don't have it yet because I am new to this game, but I assure you it will work. You do have to be again a popsicle, and then you have to go on this pan until everything melts off, and then once everything has melted, enable ragdoll, and then you are going to enable the rope. Once you are done, you are going to then press the juice party, and then after that you'll get the Ramune. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. That's what the popsicle looks like. Yeah, if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.